got this package from Candy Me Up on TikTok Shop. I'm really excited to see it. I have a huge sweet tooth. Oh my God. This is so adorable. Shout out to Candy Me Up, y'all. This cotton candy rainbow. That is so pretty. Whoa. That was a lot of flavors. Y'all, these look so good. Ooh, and it's like cold. That is so good. The watermelon doesn't like overpower. Super sour strawberry rings. Oh yeah. They are sour, but they're so good. My sweet tooth is toothing right now, y'all. Oh chamoy, Sour Patch Kids. Whoa. They smell very chamoy. See if I can get one out. Man, are they in there like swimwear? These things are stuck. I'm just like, I'm being kicked in every direction. I can't tell if I like it or if I don't. Y'all see, they're all so stuck together. Dip Loco. Oh, it's a thumbs up. It's a thumbs up. They're Pop Rocks. Shout out to Candy Me Up.